Smarter Contact is an all-in-one AI-powered communications platform that helps businesses engage leads and close deals up to 10 times faster. With Smarter Contact, you can launch text and voice campaigns in minutes. Trusted by over 5,000 users, Smarter Contact serves over 7 industries, enhancing the relevance and impact of your communications. But how did it all start? While working as a real estate investor, Adam Nasir noticed a gap in the market. There wasn't an effective tool for businesses to easily reach their customers right on their phones. With the help of a freelance developer, he built a basic SMS marketing platform tailored for real estate professionals. The beta version caught on quickly, but just as things started gaining momentum, the only developer working on the product disappeared. That's when Adam teamed up with Seedium to rebuild, relaunch, and scale Smarter Contact into a powerful communication tool.
Smarter Contact is a great product with outstanding founder Adam. Seedium participated with Smarter Contact during 2018-2020. During this time, we built trustful personal business relationship and helped to minimize bugs, make scalable architecture, and maintain the product. We are really happy to see that Smarter Contact is a successful product nowadays, and we are proud that we took part in the project development.
For over 12 months, Seedium supported the ongoing development and support of the platform, handling everything from UX/UI design to front-end and back-end development, microservices architecture, and security enhancements. The result is a fully updated and reliable platform with strong performance and a flexible architecture built to scale with a growing user base. Smarter Contact's journey is a story of overcoming challenges through vision, collaboration, and the strength of a committed team. Go check Smarter Contact at smartercontact.com. Learn more about Seedium software development services at seedium.io. We seed the right tech solutions for your business.